Today, the cattle fell hard. That wholesale beef prices are weighing heavy on the market, and again, it turned south, and it continues to just like dig a hole deeper and deeper. The futures have slipped now that the election is over, and it's confirming that big sell-off that came in on Monday. That sharp drop in the box beef sales, all of that just turned south, and now we're looking for maybe technical numbers that might bring in some bargain hunters. But because it slipped through that, we have a lot of technical trading. Everyone's kind of giving up on their future longs. And so that liquidation is bringing on more follow-through selling. And you can see that with the feeders, because the feeders dropped again. That chart looks like it's been straight down for the last almost 15 sessions, and it's in that downward spiral, and it's continuing. The demand decline just looks like that there's no end in sight. So it's so difficult for any bargain hunters to step in, and the market's in somewhat of a free fall as we're looking, and especially now that it's the end of the week. Low volume just seems to point the market to the downside, and any of that hot talk coming out of the White House with the president just tells us that there's really no resolution on the horizon for the tariff-China trade wars, and it's so needed in all the commodities, and certainly especially in the protein complex, and hogs is one that's suffering a lot. They also slipped today. The hogs did. There's just big supplies and little demand. It's the perfect economic supply-demand echo back and forth, and then we just can't seem to get out from under, and that really pressured the market somewhat. It's just that simple. That swine fever is on the horizon. The U.S.-China trade war is also already baked into the market, and so there's really nowhere for it to go. The buyers have already stepped in. A few of them have liquidated. There are still some longs, so we don't see the market completely collapsing here in the hogs, because anytime that there's going to be any kind of talk about some real resolution, we can see this market turn around on a dime. So we're going to watch that closely, and we're hanging on to these prices just by our fingernails right now.